guys, Simon Murphy here, founder at mymortgagedeal.co.uk, and I'm here to help you buy, refinance or release equity from your UK property wherever you live worldwide. In this particular episode we're going to answer the question, what level of income do I need to be able to buy a property to rent out in the UK? So we look forward to answering that in a couple of seconds. So thanks for tuning in to us again on this episode. We're going to answer the question, what level of income do I need to be able to buy a property to rent out in the UK? And this is a really interesting question because there's lots of mixed messages that are out there at the moment. The simple answer is we have lenders available to lend to expats and overseas residents even if they're declaring no minimum income. So what does that mean, no minimum income? Well, it means you need to declare an income, but they do not put a lower threshold on it. So for example, if you were showing income of less than 10,000, for example, per year, then you would still be able to look at some of the lender options in that no minimum income bracket. Now, what if you can't prove any income? Well, if you already own UK property, then you're likely getting a rental yield from it. And it may be as simple as declaring your rental income on UK property for the last couple of years. That might show particularly low income, but it still registers as an income, and then we can perhaps help in looking at refinance options for you. The sort of next level is where you're showing a lower level of income. So we have a range of lenders that will look at overseas clients where they're showing provable income of 20,000 or more sterling equivalent. So if you're showing 20,000 or more sterling equivalent, we have a range of lenders that can provide finance for you to buy, to let in the UK. The third and probably the best option is where you can show provable income of over 40,000 sterling equivalent per year. So depending what currency you earn in, relating that back to sterling, if you can show relatable income of 40,000 sterling per year, then that places you probably in the best sector of lenders with the best rates and charges for buy-to-let mortgages for overseas clients. The real bonus or kicker with buy-to-let lending is that you can seriously borrow the maximum potential compared to your income in comparison if you were buying for your own use, for residential use. To give you sort of an idea, we have a couple of clients in this bracket, but clients that are perhaps only showing 50,000 sterling income equivalent earnings per annum, well, they often and do have mortgages in the region across multiple properties of $1 million in lending. So what that really does show is they can borrow sort of 20 times their income when they're buying specifically on property to rent out to third-party tenants. So it shows you the capacity and the velocity of what you can do in terms of buying property to let out in the UK. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. Hope you found it useful. Please subscribe or like for further updates. And as always, we encourage you to comment, or if you have any questions, we look forward to getting back to you, and hopefully that helps the community as well. Thanks for tuning in to mymortgagedeal.co.uk, and see you on the next episode.